Still typing numbers one by one like this? I know, it works, but it's slow, boring, and wastes your time. Let me teach you a smarter way. Use this formula. Sequence plus counter plus the column where you want to insert the name. It counts how many names you have in column D and numbers them automatically. Type the formula in the cells you want a numbering, and then drag the cells you want to insert the name. Then just click the Enter button. Whenever you add or remove a name, the numbers adjust instantly. No dragging, no retyping. And yes, this also works in Google Sheets. Repeat the same formula, then drag the column you want to insert a name. The way is same as in Excel. Type sequence plus counter, then drag the column you want to insert the name, then click Enter. Got a favorite formula? Or stuck on something? Comment below. I might feature it in the next tip.